Good evening, friends. In the last session we studied electrochemical series. Today's session we are going to discuss about Nernst equation. For a general electrochemical reaction of the type AA plus BB to equilibrium CC plus DD. According to law of mass action, quotient Q equal to active mass of product dividing by active mass of reactant. So here Q equal to products active mass of C power C into active mass of D power D dividing by active mass of A power A into active mass of B power B. For a free energy change under non-equilibrium condition, delta G equal to delta G0 plus RT ln Q. If delta G equal to minus NF E cell and delta G0 equal to minus NF E0 cell, and substitute all these values. So minus NF E cell equal to minus NF E0 cell plus RT ln Q value active mass of C power C into active mass of D power D dividing by active mass of A power A into active mass of B power B. For simplifying this equation, we are dividing by minus NF. So, minus NF E cell equal to minus NF E0 cell, and simplifying we are dividing by minus NF. Here also minus NF plus RT by minus NF into ln active mass of C power C into active mass of D power D dividing by active mass of A power A into active mass of B power B. And this NF minus NF and this minus NF will be cancelled, and here also cancelled. Next, E cell equal to E0 cell minus RT by NF into ln active mass of C power C into active mass of D power D dividing by active mass of A power A into active mass of B power B. And for removing this ln, we are applying log. So, E cell equal to E0 cell minus 2.303 RT by NF into log C power C into active mass of D power D dividing by active mass of A power A into active mass of B power B at 25 degrees Celsius. 25 degrees Celsius means the temperature is 298 Kelvin. We are substituting all the values. This R is gas constant. Its value is 8.314 Joule per Kelvin and temperature 298 Kelvin, and F is Faraday. 1 Faraday equal to 96,500. So substitute all these values in this equation. We are getting E cell equal to E0 cell minus 0.059 by N into log C power C into D power D dividing by active mass of A power A into active mass of B power B. This equation is known as Nernst equation. This Nernst equation gives the relationship between the electrode potential and temperature and concentration of metal ion. So this equation is known as Nernst equation. This Nernst equation can be used to calculate electrode potential of an electrode having a concentration other than 1 molar. And generally the electrochemical cell, that is a metal ion Mn plus, it will gain electron to form a metal. So according to Nernst equation, the electrode potential measured against standard electrode potential. What is the condition of standard electrode potential? The electrode potential under standard condition of 1 molar concentration and 1 atmospheric pressure and 298 Kelvin. So E power Mn plus dividing by M equal to E cell. That is E cell Mn plus dividing by M minus RT by NF into ln M by active mass of Mn plus. Since the concentration of per solid is taken as 1, that time E Mn plus by M equal to E0 Mn plus by M minus RT by NF into ln 1 by Mn plus. Next we see applying this Nernst equation to Daniell cell. What is Daniell cell? Zinc rhodium copper sulfate solution. So the EMF of cathode on Nernst equation in Daniell cell, what is cathode? Copper acts as cathode and zinc rod acts as anode. So E Cu2 plus by Cu equal to E0 Cu2 plus dividing by Cu minus RT by 2F. That is here number of electrons removed is 2. So 2F into ln concentration 1 dividing by Cu2 plus. Next the EMF of anode is E Zn 2 plus dividing by Zn, that is equal to E0 Zn 2 plus dividing by Zn minus, here also number of electrons removed, that is 2. So RT by 2F into ln 1 by Zn 2 plus. Here the electrode or cell potential of Daniell cell is, what is cell potential? E cell equal to ER minus EL. So here right hand side is cathode. So E cell equal to ECU2 plus by Cu minus Zn2 plus by Zn. So substitute all these values in this equation. So E cell equal to E0 Cu2 plus by Cu minus RT by 2F into ln 1 by Cu2 plus and minus E0 Zn2 plus by Zn minus RT by 2F into ln 1 by Zn2 plus. So E cell equal to E0 Cu2 plus by Cu minus E0 Zn2 plus by Zn and minus RT by 2F. It is common. Then ln 1 by Cu2 plus minus ln 1 by Zn2 plus. That is E0 cell equal to this E0 C2 plus by Cu minus E0 Zn2 plus by Zn. So we write E cell equal to E0 cell minus RT by 2F into ln Zn2 plus by Cu2 plus. So active mass of concentration, here also active mass of concentration. At 298 Kelvin, E cell equal to E0 cell minus 0.059 dividing by 2 into log Zn2 plus dividing by Cu2 plus. We substitute the concentration values of Zn2 plus and Cu2 plus in this equation. We get the values. So from the above equation, this E cell is directly dependent upon the concentration of Cu2 plus and inversely dependent upon the concentration of this Zn2 plus. And E cell decreases as the temperature decreases and the number of electrons involved in the reaction increases. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.